In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter tasks in Zoho Project. Filtering tasks is a great way to stay organized, especially when your project starts to fill up with lots of items and it becomes hard to see what really needs your attention. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step so you can quickly narrow down your task list and focus on exactly what matters. First, make sure you're logged into your Zoho Project account and you're on the main dashboard. From here, look towards the main navigation area where you see the different modules. Start by clicking on the Projects section. This is usually found in the top navigation bar or in the sidebar, depending on your layout. Clicking on Projects will take you to a page that lists all of the projects you have access to. Once you're on the Projects page, find the specific project where you want to filter tasks. You'll see a list or grid of projects. Look for the one you want to work with, then click on the option that lets you access that project. This might appear as the project name itself or a button labeled something like Access Project. Clicking this will open the detailed view of that project. Inside the project, navigate to the tasks area if it's not already open. You should see your task list displayed, often as a table or list view with columns such as task name, owner, status, and due date. When you have a lot of tasks, this view can feel overwhelming, and that's where the filter comes in. Now, look towards the right side of the task list area for the filter icon. It typically looks like a funnel. Click on this filter icon. When you click it, a panel or drop-down will open showing different filter options. From here, you can usually filter by criteria such as status, priority, assignee, due date, or other custom fields that your organization uses. Select the filter conditions that best match what you need. For example, you might choose to see only open tasks, tasks assigned to you, or tasks due this week. As you apply these filters, your task list will update to show only the items that match those conditions. This helps you quickly focus on the most relevant tasks without distractions. That's all there is to it. Bye.